How to hide your Instagram story from someone. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily hide your Instagram story from anyone. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to hide your Instagram story from someone, first of all open your Instagram app and click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, click on three horizontal lines on top right corner and just scroll down, and here you can see hide story and live option. Click on it and click on hide story and live from, and here you have to type the username of that person from which you want to hide your story. For example, I want to hide my story from this person. You can select any username and click on done. So guys, here you can see I have selected one person from which my story has been hide. So guys, in this way you can hide your Instagram story from specific person very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.